Hi everyone! Today we're going to make aloe three ways. First, we're going to make an aloe oil, an aloe spritz, and we're also going to make an aloe detangler. If you're interested, keep watching. We're going to start with our aloe spritz and detangler, and for that we're going to need a large leaf of aloe, but if you do not have one big leaf, you can use 3 small leaves of aloe, and that will do the same thing as well. And all I'm doing is, obviously I've washed it and cut it into small pieces, and I'm going to scrape out the insides of the aloe. If you've made anything similar to what I'm doing in this video, you understand why it's so satisfying to play with the aloe. It's so juicy and slimy. But anyway, I am blending my mixture really well before putting it through some pantyhose and straining it very well. And that is pretty much it for the detangler. You can add some oils to it if you like, but I normally go ahead and use it as it is. And you know, it's very slimy, very slippery, and very hydrating for the hair. Now for your leave-in conditioner or your aloe spritz, you simply want to take the same mixture and add some water to it. So I normally go half part water and half part aloe, and that makes a really lovely leave-in conditioner which you can spray all over your hair. It helps close your cuticles, it helps reduce frizz for some of us with you know, who suffer a lot of frizz, and I find it really helpful. So to make our aloe oil, you're gonna need 1 large leaf of aloe. Obviously mine are small, so I'm using 2. These are more medium than the previous ones that I used. And same thing, you want to cut them, well, clean them first, and it's really important to clean these ones because we'll actually be blending them with the skin of the aloe. So once you chop them in small parts, you put them through the blender and blend very well. So it's gonna get really foamy, and that's fine. Now that we have our aloe all blended up and ready to go, we're gonna grab some extra virgin olive oil. You can use coconut oil as well, and I'm using a 1/4 cup of my extra virgin olive oil and putting it in my saucepan. You can use a pot, whatever you're using, and you're gonna warm it up. And once it's warm, you're gonna turn the heat off and then pour the aloe blend or the aloe mixture in there. Once you've done that, you go ahead and just stir everything together. And I don't know if you guys can notice, but the aloe and the oil do not really mix, which is good because we just want the oil out of this. After about 5 minutes of allowing the aloe to sit in the oil, I place it into a glass jar. You can use whatever containers you have in the home, you know, but this is what I've got, and I obviously prefer glass. And then I'm going to put it into a cool, dark, dry place together with my rice water. As you can see, it's been sitting here for I think 4 days now. I let my mixture sit for about 24 hours, so a full day, after which I bring everything out and just check out that color, guys. It's so vibrant, it's rich. All the aloe that was sitting on top, remember the previous day, is all sunk to the bottom, and the oil and the aloe has really separated, which is really interesting. As you can see at the bottom, that's where all the mixture is, but then the oil has been infused with the aloe, which is exactly what we want. So we're going to strain all this into some pantyhose. I don't think it's really straining, it's really just separating the oil from the aloe. Notice I'm not forcing the aloe into the pantyhose and trying to squeeze it through, because we don't want the aloe itself. We just want the oil that's been infused with the aloe. I go ahead to put it through a funnel and into a applicator bottle or an applicator bottle, just so that it's easier for me to apply to my hair, and voila, all done. So I'm just going to show you how to use all these on your hair. The leave-in conditioner, or the spritz, whatever you want to call it, is very hydrating for your hair. Aloe itself is very hydrating to your hair. It helps, you know, bring shine to your hair, obviously by closing the cuticle, and it can also help in reducing frizz, which I don't know if you guys have realized, but I suffer frizz quite a bit, so I decided to start using aloe a little bit more. Next, the Detangler. Once again, it's very hydrating, but also helps detangle, obviously. And I'm using this brush that I got on Amazon for $6. And yeah, there's a review on this one as well. So you guys check that out if you're interested. For those that don't know, aloe can be very strengthening to the hair. It can help hydrate, it can help repair the hair, obviously close the cuticle, and a few people claim that it actually aids in hair growth, and that's probably hugely because it just helps prevent breakage. Another thing with aloe is that it also helps to calm your scalp. So if you suffer itching or dandruff, aloe can be very helpful for you. So the oil can be used on your scalp as a scalp treatment. It will be very nourishing and very calming and help with itching and dandruff. You can also use it on the entire shaft of your hair or the ends, you know, once again, just for the frizz and to get all the benefits that aloe brings. Now, this can also be used as a pre-poo, and you can also combine it with other products. So you can add it to your deep conditioner or your, you know, detangler or your pre-poo, etc., to help you have really shiny, luscious, moisturized hair. Have you guys tried aloe before in your regimen? There's a lot of videos out there, you know, showing how to use aloe, but I feel like it's really underrated. You know, it really helps with all the things that we've spoken about in this video. Let me know if you're gonna try any of these recipes, or if you try them already, please leave a comment below. Let me know how it works for your hair and what other things you use to, you know, reduce breakage, reduce itching and dandruff, and promote hair growth. Until next time, it's Pamela Naturals. Bye.